Hi, this is Lata Naidu. I have done my MBA long back and I have worked with Yamaha, and due to some personal reasons I have resigned and I was sitting at home. So one of my friends actually joined in Emblix Academy, and the way she explained and the way Emblix Academy is giving opportunity in career wise, I got interested and I have joined in Emblix Academy. When I came for inquiry, Mr. Chaitanya sir and Miss Monica madam, they have guided me in which way it is helpful for me, since I have already having experience and taking this training, how it will help in my career. So I got good opportunities. I have seen so many people who got opportunities in this field. So that is the reason I got interested and I have joined in Emblix Academy, and I got 1 month training, physical training. After that they have given me 2 months internship course. In this internship they are giving practical knowledge, live projects. They can you can able to do practical also, and parallelly they are giving lunch facility also for the trainers who are coming for this academy for training. This is I have searched so many websites for best digital marketing course where we are getting. So I have inquired in Amirpet and everywhere, but locally KPHB road number 2 I found this is the best one rating wise, and I got so many referrals also. So this is way I have joined in this course.